Hello everybody, welcome to this video on configuring the Ospf routing protocol. Today I will guide you step by step on how to configure Ospf in a simple network topology. We will be working with 3 routers, switches, and PCs. By the end of this video, you will understand Ospf basics and its configuration process. Ospf stands for Open Shortest Path First. It's a link-state routing protocol used in IP networks. Unlike RIP, Ospf uses the Dijkstra algorithm to find the shortest path between routers. Ospf is highly efficient, scalable, and supports complex network topology. Our topology includes 3 routers, router 1, router 2, and router 3. 3 switches, switch 1, switch 2, and switch 3. 3 PCs, PC1, PC2, and PC3. We will configure Ospf on the routers so that PCs in different networks can communicate seamlessly. Let's start by configuring router 1. First, set the host name for router 1. R1, hostname R1. Next, configure the interfaces with the IP addresses. After configuring the interfaces, now enable Ospf and define the networks. Repeat similar steps for router 2 and router 3, hostname, IP addresses, and Ospf configurations. Make sure the IP addresses and Ospf networks match their respective interfaces. Before we continue with the rest of the configuration, if you are finding this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments if you have ever worked with Ospf before or have any specific topics that you would like me to cover. Alright, let's get back to our configuration. For our switches, ensure they are in their default state or assign VLANs if necessary. For our PCs, configure their static IP addresses. Once all configurations are done, test connectivity using the ping command. From PC1, ping PC2 and PC3 to ensure they are reachable. In this video, we configured Ospf to enable routing between different networks. We also verified the setup by testing connectivity between PCs. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more network videos.